ओभरफ्लो भयो क्या मान्छेको यहाँ सबजना
यो
फर्स्ट भयो कि
89 माइल्सको हाइक चाहिँ त्यसमाथि एक्स्ट्रा अर्को 2.5 माइल्स त हामीलाई यहाँ पार्क गरेर त्यहाँसम्म पुग्नै लाग्ने भयो क्या ला मैले फोन ल्याइन सोच्दा चाहिन्छ सो हामी चाहिँ अहिले ओल्ड एग माउन्टेनको हाइक सुरु गर्दैछौँ यो 2 माइल एक्स्ट्रा अब अहिले
so many people here.
So many people, crazy number of people. हाइक गर्नुपर्ने चाहिँ खास 8-9 माइल तर यो एकदमै फुल भयो भएर चाहिँ त्यसको ठ्याक्क ओल्ड एग माउन्टेनको तलपट्टिको पार्किङ चाहिँ फुल भयो भएर चाहिँ हामी यतापट्टि 2 माइल
प्राइभेट ल्यान्डमा
$10 तिरेर जब कि त्यो फ्री हुनुपर्ने कुरा थियो होइन तिरेर हामी चाहिँ अब अहिले ओल्ड एग माउन्टेन जाँदैछौँ होइन मान्छेहरू टनाटन छ
सब कोरोनाले फ्री त जस्तै so good.
That's good.
सुन्नु भने कस्तो मजा आउने
Hey guys, I have Julianne with me right now. She has been to Nepal. She is like professional traveler. She does hiking, trekking, and she has her own website where she posts blogs and videos. So what's your website?
I have two, trekkingwithjulianne.com. And I took my first trip to Nepal in 2018-19 over Christmas. And now I'm representing a company, a Nepalese trekking company, and we're going to be taking foreigners. That could be Indians, Chinese, North Americans, anybody who wants to go to Nepal. And we're going to be taking them to do yoga camps. And then we're going to do some trekking at Lake Pokhara. And then we're going to take them touring, do some trekking. And then we're going to start doing longer treks there and work with a Nepalese trekking company. And the other website is healthylivingwithjulianne.com.
She's a really nice person to talk to. She is super fun, so you guys would definitely love to hang out with her, I'm sure.
Thank you. Namaste.
Yeah. Namaste, guys. See ya. Let's go. Jump. Okay.
Can I just go up from here?
It's easy. It's easy.
म यहाँ जान्छु त्यहाँमै जान्छ म पनि त्यस्तै भएको
You want the fun?
थियो Alright.
Okay, let's get going. Nice. Dude, not this guy.
Oh, that's a big jump.
Yeah, I came down, I went around the side. Last time. Hey, hold on, DB. Just hey, don't step on his hand, okay? Come out.
Never mind, I got it.
There. Stay there, because I might need help. Michael, watch out. Whoa! Thank you for the warning. That's good, man. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
I don't know how you did that. Where'd you step? I'll need a hand. I don't think I can do that. Yeah.
Just come to the edge and just jump. It's not that difficult. You can make it.
But it
It looks as if, but trust me.
1, 2.
Told you.
That's not difficult at all. I mean, it just looks.
Yeah, it looks scary.
That's perception of your eye. I think. Can we do it this way?
Is this the way?
So we're going to summit now. Just went to the scrambles, climbed some rocks, dropped some few heights, did some stuff. Now what we're trying to do is we're trying to get to the summit so that we can enjoy the view. I don't remember exactly if the summit is inside the forest or it's quite out in the open, but yeah, that's the plan. We're going to summit, then we're going to be heading back to the parking lot. Now that's going to be a hike. So how was it? Oh wait, oh there you go. How was the scramble? We didn't reach the scramble precisely, but how was the formations in overall?
It was great. Had a good time. Especially the bouldering over the rocks.
Yeah,
that was cool. Very, very cool.
So if you are into adventure, if you like climbing on the rocks, jumping from the heights, then this is definitely the place for you.
Oh yeah, definitely. But bring lots of food and water.
Yeah, just bring lots of food and water because it's going to be a hell of a hike.
We are morons and we didn't do that. So.
Okay. That was it. अब चाहिँ हामी तल जाँदैछौँ. Back to our parking lot. तर त्यो नै itself 5-6 miles जतिको हाइक हुन्छ. A day well spent. आइसक्रिम खाने मान्छे हुँदैन हो
Thank you. Thank you.
Park this car, man. I think that's all the way.
दाइ चाहिँ तेरो राम्रो छ
Alright, यो चाहिँ हाम्रो लास्ट स्टप हुन्छ आजको एकदमै हाइक गरेर एकदमै मुख एकदमै सुकिरहेको बेलामा यो एकदम चिसो र फ्रेस आइसक्रिम चाहिँ एकदमै साह्रै मजा आइरहेको छ है अब यो चाहिँ हाइवेको बिचमा एउटा सायद यो कुनै लोकल आइसक्रिमको ठाउँ खाने ठाउँ हुनसक्छ होइन तर एकदम लाइन हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ चेन नै होस् नि देखिरहेको छ है पुरै अर्गनाइज देख्दाखेरि चाहिँ कि अर्डर लिने यता देख्दाखेरि चाहिँ फेरि चेन हो कि जस्तो लागेको भिडियो हेर्दाखेरि यो थोरै पनि रमाइलो लागेको छ भने चाहिँ प्लिज लाइक गरिदिनु होला सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनु होला किन हाँस यार कमेडी भयो क्या मैले भनेको अनि सेयर गरेर धेरै जस्तो मान्छेलाई अप्ठ्यारो लाग्छ त्यही भएर सेयर चाहिँ जे गर्न मन लाग्छ त्यही गर्दा हुन्छ लाइक र सब्सक्राइब चाहिँ गरिदिनु होला अरूले हजुर के भन्दैछ नि त च्यानलको लागि हाँस्ने मान्छेले अब कस्तो राम्रो छ
मेरो आइसक्रिम जस्तो चाहिँ होइन मेरो चाहिँ मिठो त आइसक्रिम जस्तो चाहिँ छ
यस्तो मिठो छ त्यो
मिर्छ मिर्छ
ल मेरो च्यानलको लागि के भन्दैछ नि साइन अप गर्नु पऱ्यो
guys like subscribe and hit that bell icon
ओ त्यो मैले मिस गरेको थिएँ नि त मैले ल मैले युट्युब बनाएर खाँदिनँ जस्तो ल ओके गाइस सी या